Welcome everyone to HFN. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is February the 27th, 2021. Got a lot to talk about on this particular video. So right before I go into all of that, if this is your first time watching our video, you guys appreciate our content, then make sure before you go, thumb up the video, share the video, and also subscribe. You want to tap that bell notification as well to ensure that you are notified of whenever we upload our predictions to YouTube. Now, also, if you guys want to see all of our plays, we have a website, HueFinancial.com. The link is in the description of the video. All you have to do is go on, head over there. It is free. Sign up, and you guys will see all of the plays that we are expecting particular stocks to go for free. So anyone else that is charging you just to see some of the plays or calling the market, you need to be wary because it's simple. So come on over, see the plays that we are garnering for some particular stocks. Whenever we see a play, we're going to go ahead and place it on our website if we don't have opportunity to create a video. So if you guys want to make sure you're in the know, make sure you head on over to our website at HueFinancial.com to see the plays. Now, we're going to talk about a stock that ARK Invest plans to add to their new space ETF. Now, before I go into that, look at our simulator portfolio real quick. Okay, 3 columns to the left. I want you all to see right here the gains since added. These are the 6 stocks that we've added to our simulator portfolio, and out of the 6, there's only one that is down 7.3% at the moment. It is Avega Pharmaceuticals, but everything else is in the green. Matter of fact, 3 out of those green stocks that are up are in double digits. We're going to look a little bit more into our portfolio tomorrow and see whether or not we're going to add a couple of more to this portfolio and which ones we will take off at the profit. All right. So make sure you tune in tomorrow when we do that video. Now, this is the article that we've seen on CNBC talking about a couple of stocks that could appear in ARK Invest New Space ETF on CNBC. Okay. Now we're just going to look at one of these stocks. Okay. And the one stock that we're going to look at is Trimble right here. That is the stock that we are expecting or looking to see whether or not ARK is going to add it to their ETF. Now, I'm going to explain to you why do we say that, because volume is a massive clue to where the smart money is. I mean, you got to think about it. These institutions are handling billions, tens of billions of dollars for their clients. So when they make a move into the market, you'll see their footprints. You'll see precisely where they are at and whether or not they bought or whether or not they sold. So we're going to show you on this particular stock right here, Trimble, that somebody, it may not be ARK, but it was definitely a large institution that participated in this stock. All right, so let's take a look at Trimble real quick. Here's the ticker symbol. All right, this is the ticker symbol, TRMB. Take a look. What is one of the main things that is staring out at you? What is the main thing that causes you to think, okay, what happened there? Let me show you. Because right before this particular volume bar, the volume in Trimble was mundane. It was extremely light. So somebody, a massive institution, came into this stock and definitely either bought Trimble at this price, which is around $69.25, all the way up here towards $72, right? But look at where this market came from. Trimble has been in a uptrend ever since it's been established on this exchange. So who would come into the market right now as the market is trading around $70 without the expectation of higher price movement? You guys can see that Trimble is trading around $75, $76 right now, which is around the all-time high area. So who would do such a thing? Because this volume has not been seen ever since this market was created. So definitely this is a massive indication of participation from large institutions. Is it ARK? Could be, but definitely is a big player. All right, so let's take that away and let's see whether or not whoever created all of this volume is expecting either this stock to go lower or they're expecting this stock to go higher in price. As of right now, whoever did this volume is looking for the market to go higher in price. Why do I say that? Well, because initially, take a look. The market did fall, right? But look at where we're trading at right now. So if this was truly selling going on into the market in Trimble, this market would have reclaimed the movement to the downside and the market will be a lot lower than where we closed on Friday. Simple. So again, they are expecting, whoever did this volume is expecting this stock to continue to see higher price. When you look at this on differing time frames, even on the weekly time frame, take a look at this market. This market in Trimble still wants to go higher in price. Weekly time frame, you guys can see that this is the trend. More likely, this is the trend in Trimble. These 2 weeks here, the market just slightly dipped, but we came right back above that ascending line to reclaim the overall trend is still intact. So yeah, of course, this stock definitely is garnering some interest from a big player. And when you look at this on the monthly time frame, I'm still expecting Trimble to go higher in price. I mean, when you look at these high volume bars down here, the last time we saw that much volume, the market on the next month moved higher. Same thing here. So the strength in Trimble is still being seen. So we are surmising, we are just giving a hypothesis that this particular stock is garnering some interest, possibly from ARK. We're not saying that it is in fact the truth, but based off this volume, if not ARK, somebody else is expecting this stock to go higher in price. So what we're going to do, we want to play the strength, right? Let's go ahead and do that. We're going to look for this market in Trimble to go higher in price. Definitely, market cannot come all the way back down to this $68 area. I'll be cool if it even does, because the trend is still intact. For us to see the market go higher in price, it's going to be a lot slower, but the strength into the market in Trimble is still here. So we're going to continue to play the strength. Plain and simple. 8.3% to the downside, 8.3% to the upside, which is around $81, which is not much. But long term, especially when ARK comes out with their new space ETF and Trimble is in it, understand that majority of interest will continue to jump on board. That's why you need to ensure that you are in position. That's it. Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And again, we'll talk again on the next video.